this video, I want to talk about how you can change your address on eToro. Now, to change your address, what you need is you need some sort of proof of address, and it can be any of these. So a utility bill, a bank statement, credit card statement, a government issued letter or a tax bill or something. It just needs to have your full name on it as well as your address, and that will work as a proof of address. Now, once you have this, you want to get it ready. So download it on your PC or anything and make sure that it's a document. So it can be a PDF document. Once you have it ready, what you want to do is go to eToro, go to help and resources. And in here, what we want to do is we want to start chatting. Now, this will just be an AI bot, but you want to talk with this bot. And if it cannot help you, you just want to tell it that you want to be connected to an agent, which is a real person. And after that, you want to tell the person that you have recently moved or you typed the wrong address or stuff like this, and you need to change your address. After that, they probably will ask for a proof of address, and then you're just going to send it over and let them review it. Now give this a few business days for them to review it, and after that, they will hopefully change your address. Now this is currently the only way that you can do it, so without making a new account, obviously. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.